Hello, welcome back everyone. In this video we are going to design clamping plate, that is part number 9, which is shown here in the drawing. It is a square of side 50 mm which has a 2 holes, that is countersink holes at the center, which are 24 mm apart. So let me draw a square initially, and using symmetric axis and symmetry, make it symmetric about both vertical and horizontal axes. Now using smart dimension, enter the dimension for the rectangle as 50 mm on either side for both width and height. Now it is shown here that is the protrusion length, it is 8 mm. So click on return, go to protrusion, select the profile, click on OK and give the protrusion distance as 8 mm. Click on finish. Now go to hole, select this surface. Here the value or dimension for the countersink hole is given, that is it should be from 12 mm dia to 6.3 and countersink angle is 90 degree. Similar to the hole which we have done in jaw grip. Select the surface, go to hole table, select countersink, here 6.3 mm diameter and here countersink diameter as 12 mm, countersink angle 90 degree. Now click on OK. Just place 2 holes. Do not place them on the planes, just place them here. Now the distance from edge is 25 mm and distance between the 2 holes is 24 mm. Using smart dimension, dimension these values. Here 25 mm, distance between them is 24 mm. And distance between one hole to the center, we should give it as half of 24, that is 12 mm. Let us try whether coincide works, but coincide doesn't work, so let me use distance from one circle to center as 12 mm. Click on finish. So we are done with the clamping plate. Go to tools, material table, enter material as Fe410W and now click on apply to model. Go to file properties, go to summary, type title as clamping plate. Now go to project, document number 9, and project name is clamping plate. Then click on OK and now save the file. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, then subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.